Deep within a vast and enchanted forest, a kind-hearted deer named Luna once saved a cunning fox named Vix from a terrible trap. Grateful for her help, Vix promised eternal friendship and loyalty to Luna. However, as time passed, Vix grew selfish and forgot about his promise. One day, Vix found himself in a powerful position in the forest and decided to betray Luna to gain favor with the other animals, taking credit for her bravery and kindness. But when danger strikes the forest in the form of a wildfire, Vix realizes that true strength comes from loyalty and trust. As flames licked the edges of the forest, Luna instinctively led the frightened animals to a hidden river where they would be safe. Vix, trapped and desperate, watched in horror as the fire neared. Remembering the time Luna saved him, he called out for help, but no one came. Luna, hearing his cries, faced a painful decision. Should she help the one who betrayed her or let him face the consequences? Despite her hurt, Luna's compassion outweighed her anger. She rushed to Vix's side and guided him through a narrow, unburned path to the river. Seeing her selflessness, Vix felt a deep shame and remorse. At the riverbank, amidst the soot and flames, Vix publicly apologized to Luna. He admitted his betrayal to the other animals and praised Luna for her bravery and kindness, urging everyone to follow her example. The animals, moved by Vix's newfound humility and Luna's forgiveness, decided to rebuild their forest together. From that day on, Vix became Luna's staunchest ally, and the two worked side by side to ensure the safety and prosperity of their home. Though scarred by the fire, the forest thrived, nourished by newfound unity and mutual respect among its inhabitants. This story explores themes of loyalty, gratitude, and the consequences of betrayal, teaching children important lessons about character and friendship.